Okay, reading problem number 3. Again, focusing on what is the question really asking me to do. It says, on the number line below, the square root of 7 and the square root of 15 are both plotted. We also see the number a. It's going to be an integer. It's going to be a whole number. They say, what could be the value of a? And then we see a few integers or whole numbers in our multiple choice question that could possibly be a. I think the key for this question is understanding we need to figure out what of these numbers, 3, 4, 5, or 6, could be sitting somewhere between the square root of 7 and the square root of 15. We probably know that the square root of 7 and the square root of 15 are both irrational numbers. These are not whole numbers. But a, there is some whole number that sits between those two square roots. Given my answer choices, if I'm still not sure what the answer is, I'd think about it on the whiteboard like I see here. What square root could have possibly equaled 3? The square root of 9. Put that in red. The square root of 9 is what would equal 3. And it looks to me like the square root of 9 would fit right where a is. To complete the rest of this, the square root of 16 would equal 4. That would be a little too big. And these other two square roots, even if I don't do them out, I know they're going to be way too big. 5 comes from the square root of 25, which on our square root number line is sitting way over here. And 6 comes from the square root of 36, which wouldn't even be on this whiteboard. It'd be way out there somewhere. So pretty quickly we see the only number, 3, comes from the square root of 9. That's really the only thing that could fit between the square root of 7 and the square root of 15. So that's why A is our correct answer.